Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use the Instagram Edits app to make viral reels from your phone. If you want reels that stop the scroll and go viral, this standalone app gives you an extra editing power from Instagram didn't have before. First, download the Instagram Edits app from the App Store and open it. Log in with your Instagram account. Next, create a new project. In the edits, go to the project tab and then tap the plus or new project. Then either import videos from video clips from your camera roll or record directly inside the app. Next, what you can do is use the timeline editor to cut, trim, split or spread clips, reorder them. Add stickers. You can also add sticker by scrolling in the bottom of the screen. You can add stickers. You can search stickers also. Next, you can also do overlays, and then you can also add filters, texts, make your own transition video from more dynamic. Use this green screen cutout tools if you want to change the background or isolate subjects. Next, add text, captions and audio. Use a built-in audio music from Instagram library, or you can also upload your own. Next, what you can do is sync audio well with the cuts and transitions. Add auto captions or write custom captions. Customize font size, color, position for style and readability. Next, after you use trending sounds to increase reach, Instagram often pushes reels with trending audios. After editing, export the video without watermark. Edits to as no watermark in high resolution. Share directly to Instagram as a reel. Make sure the thumbnail, text overlay and few seconds are eye-catching. Safety tip: avoid including private information, faces, addresses in trending reels unless you want them shared widely. If your video exports fuzzy, make sure you have chosen the highest resolution option. Also check that your phone storage isn't full or that app is fully updated. Subscribe for more quick